The girl is so excited. I can't wait to see the big city. I'm going to explore Christmas lights, so enjoy the journey with me. Yeah. So I'm running up here, crossing the bridge the other side. I'm going to take a train quickly. Girl, it's in a train, and the train is approaching Waterloo train station in London. And girl, it's so excited. The vibe, it's on high level. Baheruka po Waterloo. Akushaga time yangu ku kilo time ikaendeka titini na mbekwe ku daro marambe kokwe ku explore London na here and there. Okusha oshina shimishitina yi mipa hoka spotoka wa mutu even in the loop ekedito no makeup anje katito mbumbo dero perfect apothiame hepo kurutwako or fake eyelashes. Okay. Misha Oh, that's a Christmas tree at Waterloo. It's looking so beautiful. I love it. Little bit of 360-degree to see a train station. Okanja Congo. Hinabino ithembamba pakamo. Ohoroko wondoroko. Shikaiva, shikeriva. Shipbreaker. London, here I come. So the girl is done with her makeup. Tare umbumbunjo riri. Whoa! Very grave. Very ganedo. Amba ushombanu hapo nyumbunji maika muni kwa yune hanjo kono kwa dhodere mina shatama tuthoka muno marambe no kusha tuthokunja katiti akudhodere. Although London are the red buses of London. Who does not want to see them? London, it's known for the red buses. So there they are. Girl, it's in London from Waterloo, now taking the bus to Oxford Street. Gosh. But so first I'm going to make a turn at a guest house where I booked just to go and change into my traditional attire. So here I'm crossing London Bridge. I can see London Eye on my left hand side. It's looking so beautiful. You can see we are just in the heart of London. Kasho there. Kasho muno to remember the compantane kasho to thorough ku view vina to kuzuma no ku view na kasho. So you can see, I can see some lights in front of me. Maragaina kumuniko light and wamena kushangunda kununjere rongo kashona shito auto marambia London apothiru tenga. Here next to Trafalgar Square, peno kan guest house kanje mekere hukura erishenje and then atokotoko kwe kuriperenda no kushito video. Wajo inabi hekuta nambano toho kuvae pakasho. For Trafalgar Square. Okay, the girl, it's in a hotel. It's not a hotel, just a little guest house. Yeah. Ekorioro rakuramo shiku shasha veva kasho. Kahoroko wokongo, you can name it. Kusho, snow dress, winter dress, Christmas dress, New Year dress, everything. The dress is about to go and vibe in London. Me, I was like, why can I not do it for myself? Shishimashinji filista na wame shimbitho kushitauri. Amo kurimuna na woku kaonja mo mirari vya London na mbiono. Upumi yango kurimuna me kaonja mo mirari vya London na mbiono. Moshika iva shanje shimu. Puku! Atupite. Twaputwa ithamba ushi. Girl, ohe kahe oneila kaneilo mbumbuka mbumbu. Machove. Machengo ya modo Trafalgar Square. Yeah! You can see. Mon TV. Trafalgar Square. Okay, ama. It's like this place. It's known. Apparently, those are the big kids. Those are the big London kids. They're in at Trafalgar Square. Menembono Peno Embassy ya Canada. You can see the red buses behind there. Girl, my healthy come first, guys. It's very cold, extremely cold. Shiri no. Ah, yeah. matunjo lo sama atukaroro horoko lo design miana vyaro eneka sho nai kunompepera marthi yokusha horoko bakayo ruvedendwino hokayo pomea no the Trafalgar Square. The idea is to go and vibe in Oxford Street, Regent Street and Piccadilly Circus. We need to mama muno embassy yakana donjo menenu maje lombade twape hikatiti numbede thamwaje muneno mutfedu. All eyes on me and I'm feeling so happy. Taro smile like a smile. Yeah. Open road titi urimbo molandena. Better pictures they are coming, guys. Mind, be aware. Yes. Mimi niko the big it's one of the big five also animal in Africa, known as one of the big five animal. Yeah, mara muthu akomba ngomena sharara katoka weather kana yaro ombo pashabi so mamusho mbethi molandi na makude rambwanu and I'm there ukaonjo slow shapo kurinana kwanje and then the bus left. That was one of the funniest things. It's like apparently I have to run and I'm telling the people that I cannot run for a bus in my traditional dress regardless to something. Yeah, guys, it's Richard Street. The girl is on ride. I had a ride in the bus and I'm looking so cute in Regent Street. Tadeo the lights out. Don't mind about my dress or my shikaiva or by what. Just check London, guys. Check London. You can see the big screens behind me there as well. Yo, what you know you are very good. Ow. Yeah. Me fulana wa me monika na wa ho marambongo Regent Street. Taro my Christmas lights. Don't expect good pictures or good videos. These videos, they are going to be captured at night. It's like at evening time. You can see the Regent Street lights, Christmas lights. They are just popping, cheering me up. I'm feeling so happy. Yeah. This one this is all what I wanted. Kumgurushiri marakatitimba na ngundanu marambe kaina kumunika nawa. Pothiongo mamuye munuto. Ongo mamuye mununu. Kaina kumunika na mena shangunda kunonjerera. Pothia to ngokuveta mbavete ponja pombiva ngaute. Hi guys, the excitement is about to kill me. The city is looking so beautiful. Lights are looking so beautiful. I'm so happy, like yo. So twaheruka matuthokita mu Oxford. So that's Oxford Circus station. Marambe ngo wakashiri kasho. Hey, tarera mundu yarikana nai. The excitement. Ow, look at that beautiful lights. Ow, amu mind that to hamimberi kushiro shikeriva. She throw shangisho menakusha kunompepera. You can see the big lights for the big city. Me kondo miraripo nambo mbika krame mondivitivi me hembitho ukaonja mondivitivi mbepambwa yonjira momono wamingo imbo pumba vanga pumbori imbo nu imba mopumba vanga omuni hino photographer rikanane shikando sharo CK who rikanane ito shikando sharo me hepa photographer but you know the struggle was real. The beauty of our city. Full stop. With love for London. I'm trying to read what it's written on those beautiful lights. From London to where? I'm trying to read. One city, one differences. One city, many differences. With love. Yeah, that's it. So the girl is in Oxford Street. Ngurova kangurova lombethika lombethinda the red agajo. I'm feeling so happy, guys. This video I don't know, but shiri no, this is one of the best memory I had in 2020. Those beautiful lights make on the kutunoshikaiva, and who does not want to stand in next to a tree to take pictures or snapping as an African queen? A little bit. There I am. Wow. Ariganane. But this video just made me so happy. I know Kushanu, it's not something and when you do they are going to see Kusha, what is the excitement about, but to me, yo guys, this was a deal done. Yeah, this is one of the a little activity I had in London, but I apparently I thought it was for kids and I was refusing, but then I was all like advised and told that no, it's for anybody. You can write it £1 per £1 per 1 minute, something like that. That's it. So now I'm at Piccadilly Circus. Yeah. Can you guys see the big screen? And then I don't know who's this guy. The person just decided to dance for me. Can you see how cute is that? Just because someone is looking so cute. And I was telling him, can you please keep the distance and dance for me? It's fine to dance for me, but please keep the distance. Can you see? That was so cute. May God bless this man wherever he is. This man. Can you see? Yeah, you can see yourself, guys. That I had a beautiful evening. All went well. I'm so happy. And yes, now I'm on my way to Piccadilly Circus. Just mind the lights. Mind the girl. It's somewhere. Can you spot her? I know very well that you can see me and you can see the lights, and the girl is there, my dear, enjoying walking up and down, crossing street from one street to another, looking so cute, feeling so. The main thing is like I'm so happy that I was feeling shiri no bafuli na wapo pakapito na otjiherero kufulana mu life anje muto okufulana wangu ku kapito. Boy, look at those beautiful lights. We never Christmas of yakashiri me hair. Engo mundu atatembo aunomivanda mbye navyo hapo nunjo horoko vanji mwecho horoko vanji aithokenda kulande na ukuya konderwa enjo iya olofupino donditi. Apparently there where I'm approaching, there are a lot of sign or logo or brands. I don't know for what, because I'm not kind of a brandy person, but yeah, in some coming few minutes you will see what I'm talking about. Yeah, there they are. Can you see on top all those signs? Can anyone write on the comment box, please, or comment below and tell me or what do they mean or something? But yeah, that's London. Whew, Imbanu, this is the only place which just killed me dead. Kukokauri, look at those beautiful lights of Piccadilly Circus. They are looking so beautiful. I love it. Girl, it's here looking all cute, enjoying these beautiful lights. Rakatoka kwa kadodera tukutuku. Umarambe Christmas anga akashiri mumunu. Oh, muni mbari makeuri hina mbari no photographer munju on the hino photographer marako kumunika na hapo. What am I doing here? It's a statue or with a woman who's holding an umbrella. So I was trying to stand under this umbrella. Yeah, talking to this beautiful woman. Yeah. That's it. Looking so cute. Can you see London so cute at night? Believe me, guys. This side of Piccadilly Circus. Cute. This is the one of the best, beautiful Christmas lights. I really had a beautiful time in London for those couple of hours. Believe me, goal was accomplished. Everything went smooth, on point, happiness. I kill it. Can you? Yeah, guys, I don't know why I was using Snapchat, but then forgive me for that because the excitement was beyond. I was like, oiri mwe mutu mbarede mbikutha metho mbarede mbikutha kusha metho kungura ye okuritho ka snapping hold no ka vlog holder no hinambare munhu shikaiva kana shari shishiti wauri kanambare muniko man. So then I decided to snap here and there, but anyway, those are the results. London is so beautiful. Let us create memories. I'm so happy. Can you see? One of the best moment ever in my life. Yeah. Oh, that was nice. Now I'm in a tube traveling back to Waterloo to go and take my train back where I came from. That was all nice. Everything went well. I'm covering my face because all eyes on me in this train. Yeah, girl have to kick out of London right now. So that's it, guys. I hope you also had a beautiful festive season. That's one of my 2020 festive season memories that I really love it and appreciate it, and I was looking forward to go and do it, and I'm so happy the outcome. Happy New Year to you all again. Bye. See you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you see London. Hope you know a little bit of things by now.